Hello, welcome to Quantum Programming with Cirq. In this video series, we will explain how to program quantum computers using Google's open source framework Cirq.
Cirq is a quantum programming language that allows you to program your quantum computers in Python. The fact that it's in Python means that it's easy for you to get started, and it also allows you to take advantage of the rich set of libraries that are built for Python throughout your work.
We are bringing this video series out now because quantum computing is at an exciting stage. The pace of hardware innovation is picking up, and there are lots of open source software tools around for developing applications for quantum computers. The next great application could be developed anywhere by anyone, perhaps by one of you. Google's Quantum AI team has two core missions. The first is to build top performance, fully error-corrected quantum hardware, and the second is to discover quantum applications.
By creating this video series, we have one goal in mind. We would like you, the viewer, to get excited about quantum and to start programming quantum computers so that you can join us in our mission to discover quantum computing applications. Hi, I'm Abe and I lead education and outreach at Google Quantum AI. I'm based in our quantum lab in Santa Barbara, California, where our hardware is also being developed. I've programmed quantum computers in a few different languages in the past, and I'm excited to tell you more about what I've learned about Cirq. Now, Cirq is an open source quantum programming framework, and I'm very excited to also better my understanding of it from my colleague Catherine and our other guests.
I am Catherine, and I am the software product manager on the Quantum AI team. I currently work across the whole stack from our operating system, which sits closest to the hardware, to our algorithm libraries, which are application-specific and help researchers from various fields translate their problems into programs that can be run on quantum computers. I work on things like the technical strategy and defining what new software should be able to do. I'm based here in the London office, and I look forward to introducing you to Cirq and some of our other software with Abe.
As we do our quantum programming, we will be writing our code in Colab. Colab is a Jupyter Notebook environment that runs for free on the cloud. You can access it by going to colab.research.google.com or simply by looking it up in Google and signing in with your Google account. Now, Colab is one of the most popular places to write code in the machine learning community, and we also think it's a great place for us to do quantum programming in Cirq. Once you've logged into Colab, you can immediately create a new notebook and start writing your code.
So now that we are in our Colab notebook, we can install Cirq using pip install Cirq. And if we want to do this in quiet mode, we just add -- quiet. Shift-Enter will run this line. And then we need to import Cirq by writing import Cirq and running again by pressing Shift and Enter.
As a shortcut, you can also just copy and paste the install code from our website at quantumai.google/Cirq and then run it again by pressing Shift and Enter. If you run the setup code from the website successfully, you should see a string of ones and zeros of roughly the same number. And there you go. You're now ready to follow us along through the rest of the video series.
In the next episodes, we will start by learning how to build quantum circuits and how to run them on simulators. Later on in the series, we will talk about some of the application-level libraries that are designed to work with Cirq.
We look forward to seeing you in the next episode.
Bye!
Bye!